So we start off today's video with this modern bob makeover. Now the stylist does add some color with this. Oh, this is more than a bob. This is a gorgeous layered hairstyle. Wow. Look at that color. She ended up getting like a shaggy cut. Oh, this is breathtaking. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hairstyles, makeovers, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you are in need of a major makeover, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a layered bob style. She has this gorgeous texture that the stylist can play around with. Such beautiful hair. And then we move into the next transformation. So she already had short hair, and the stylist is going shorter with this hair change. Looks like she's going with a mini bob or a pixie bob. Oh wow, look at the texture on this with the cutting. Oh, this is gorgeous. Kind of like a shaggy pixie bob. Absolutely beautiful. Next up, we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like the stylist is doing a bob for the cutting. Beautiful. Love his technique for adding volume with this blowout. She looks amazing. So then we see someone with gorgeous red hair. She has beautiful curly hair as well. Stylist is just kind of doing some finger coils. Beautiful shaggy shoulder length style. And then we have another pixie. I love the spiky texture that this has, and the color work is absolutely gorgeous. It also features some bangs going there in the front to frame out the face. Beautiful. And then we see another curly inspired style with this tapered cut. This is also known as a curly pixie haircut. I think the bold blue color really just sets off the haircut. Very nice. And then we see someone go from hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she's going to be getting a beautiful bob. Wow, look at how much volume this has. So beautiful, and this is definitely a great example of a modern volumized bob haircut. So I hope that you guys were able to find some hair inspiration with checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.